Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Man Gets Caught Harassing Customers, Fights Police."
Police respond to a Publix after receiving a complaint about a man aggressively bothering customers for money inside the store and find him outside near a no trespassing sign.
Oh, perfect.
I saw your text. I turned my phone on for the first time in like a week. I've been in training all week. But I was already coming to the call, and I'm like, I should probably turn my phone on.
So did you, because I did call.
Yeah, no, I know.
Okay.
I was on my way here, and I'm like, let me turn my phone on. But
So he's down by on the other side of the ATM now because somebody bought him a bag. So he had been getting money from people, but someone gave him a bag of food. So he's probably right on the other side of the ATM.
Gray t-shirt?
I'm not sure if he's been trespassed. Yeah, he's got like a gray polo. I think it's a collared polo with a stripe, blackish gray pants. Yeah. And I'm like, hey, buddy.
All right. Yep.
Hey, what's going on, boss?
What's up, boss? What's going on?
What you I'm fucking eating, bro?
Excuse me?
Eating. What you I'm eating?
Excuse me?
Don't you fucking see I'm eating?
What's wrong? What's up?
I'm eating, bro. You can't fucking step on my fucking food, bro.
Excuse me.
Don't you see I'm fucking eating?
Excuse me. Excuse me, I'm going to tell you right now. Let's bring it down. The reason we're here is because the manager of Publix said they wanted you trespassed. Somebody bought you food, but they wanted you trespassed. We come here, we speak to you nicely. We're not raising...
Don't lie to me. I brought my food.
Excuse me.
Don't even fucking lie to me.
I am about to lose my fucking patience, which I don't guarantee you don't want me to fucking do. So yes, I'm not lying to you. Publix wants you fucking trespassed. Excuse me, and what? And what? You gonna start fucking getting mad? You gonna start fucking raising your voice? You gonna fucking do that? I don't think so. Now we can either handle this quietly like men.
I'm fucking eating.
I don't give a where they don't want you here.
Food.
You didn't buy food. Somebody bought you food.
Go show me the person.
Somebody bought you food. Show me your receipt. Show me your receipt.
Fuck you, bro. Don't you see my food I'm buying? Look,
Do you have
my receipt right there.
Do you have your ID on you?
Fuck you. Get away from me, man.
No.
I bought my food.
You see a sign?
Get the away,
Excuse
man.
me.
Yo, I don't see nobody. Do you think I'm slow?
This is how it's gonna work. I fucking tase your ass and take you to jail,
Yo.
or you get your happy ass up and walk away. I don't want to tase you. I'd rather fucking punch you. But this is what we're gonna fucking do. Do you understand me?
Whoa, hold on. Whoa. He out of bounds. Whoa. This officer is out of bounds, boy. Listen, I get it. Listen. I'm all for the act right. Don't get it twisted. I'm all for the act right. If they not acting right, hey, and they need a factory reset, they need an adjustment and an alignment, okay? I'm all for it. But come on, that's unprofessional, bro. Like, I tell you, I'd rather punch you, but come on, you come on now. You can get your point across without the whole extra, like, come on, man. You ain't, come on, man. Come on. You know, this guy clearly got some mental health issues and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong. I'm not sticking up for the guy. Okay? He do need to get to stepping. But the cop is out of bounds with that statement. I'm not going to lie.
This is how it's gonna work. I fucking tase your ass and take you to jail, or you get your happy ass up and walk away. I don't want to tase you. I'd rather fucking punch you. But this is what we're gonna fucking do. Do you understand me? Say f you again. Now we're gonna handle this fucking nice. I'm gonna put the taser away.
You slow?
What?
There's no guns in the world? There's no gun in the world? There's no gun in the world?
Dude, what is your problem?
Watch me.
Watch you what?
There's no... Watch me.
Watch you what?
There's no gun in the world? Watch me.
Watch you what? Is that a threat?
I bought my... Get away from me.
You didn't buy your food. You're here on public property. They don't want you here.
Don't you lie to me. Do it.
I'm not lying to you.
Yes,
everything you say is on camera. Get up. Do me a favor.
I'm smarter than you. Slow.
You are smarter than me. I guarantee you're smarter than me.
Get the fuck away.
Get up.
Yeah.
Get up.
Go show me the person that said that. Go show me. You think I'm gonna tell this sheriff? Get away from me. I'm intelligent, man. Get away.
You are smarter than I am. Get up.
Go show me the person.
Sir,
I'm
sir.
eating. Don't step on my food.
Sir.
Go show me the fucking person.
I'm about to throw everything away, so...
You don't have money.
Get up.
You're not gonna throw nothing away.
Get up.
Get out.
I'll snap you.
Oh, yeah, it's over with.
Get away from me. Get away.
You threatening my partner?
Get away. Hello. I just searched my legs.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey,
Or you're gonna get...
I'm buying food. Get away.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop
Resisting.
Hello.
Yeah, he justified.
Hello.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put her hands up. You have a taser in your hand, sir.
Away from me.
Let go of the taser.
Get the away from
This
me.
can end bad.
You. Go show me the person. Go show me the person. Bro, get the away from me. I'll fight you. I'll fight you. Get away from me. Get away from me.
5, go ahead and step it up. We need units here.
Say something, yo. Get away from me. Yo, get away from me.
Let go of the taser.
Cop is
Put your
justified.
hands behind your back.
Let go.
Like that.
And he got the weapon, so they could do what they got to do to get the weapon from him. So they need to.
Let go of the taser.
It wouldn't surprise me if they tuned him up. For sure, for sure.
Are we having fun?
Because he got the weapon.
Put your hands behind your
Get
back.
away from me. I just served you. Get away from me.
Okay, there we go.
Now,
Put your hands behind your back, dude.
My hand, dude. Hello.
Put your hands behind your back.
we're not leaving.
Get away from me. Get the away from me, dude. You get away from me?
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, and that'll be the simplest way.
You gonna keep kicking me?
Get the away from me. I can't breathe, hello?
You're breathing because you're
I
talking.
can't breathe.
You're breathing because you're talking.
I can't
Yeah, we're
breathe.
gonna check on that later.
I can't breathe. Get off of me. Hey.
Hey, what?
Can I breathe? Get off of me.
You're breathing fine.
Oh, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Put
'cause
your
you're talking.
hands.
Get off of me. I can't breathe.
Put your hands behind your back. And then I'll get up.
Yo, get off of me, man. I cannot even breathe. Get off of me. I cannot breathe.
You're breathing because you're
Hello?
talking. You're breathing because
Hello?
you're talking.
I can't breathe. Get off of me. Hey, can I just get your hand off my neck? I cannot breathe. I can't breathe.
You're breathing because you're
Get
talking.
off of me.
You're breathing because you're talking.
I cannot even breathe.
You're
Officer. Get
breathing
off of
because
me.
you're talking. You want to keep going, man? Keep going.
Hey, tell him get off of me. Help.
Keep going.
I can't even breathe. Look at my shoes. Help. Get off of me. I can't breathe. I'm back here choking me. I'm passing
You're
out.
breathing.
All right. He's not here. I've got. What do you got
Get
control?
off of me. My legs.
You guys right
Hello.
hand here?
I did surgery. Hey, my legs.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
did surgery.
Put your hands behind your back.
I can't walk. I did
Put
surgery.
your hands behind your back.
I did surgery. I have to walk. My legs. Hello. You got for my leg. I did surgery.
Hey, stop resisting. Listen to us.
I'm not.
You're not listening.
Put your hand on your back. My legs. My legs. I just did surgery. My legs. I can't. I have to walk. You just. I was eating, man. Get away from me. I'm the good guy. Yo, get away from me, man. You're just trying to crack my leg, trying to break my legs.
You okay? Yeah.
Just trying to break my legs.
He got to
You're trying to pass me out.
Okay.
Yo, get off of me.
Hey.
What's your deal, man? I just buy food.
Relax.
You get off of me.
Don't move.
Get off of me,
Dude,
man.
don't move. You hear me?
I'm not listening to it. This is my off of me. Yo. Hello. Yo. Get off of me. This is my stuff.
Hey, you heard it all? Hey, listen, are you hurt?
What's his problem?
No.
What's your problem?
This gotta be
I'm the one
Florida.
that's eating. I buy food. Why you pushing me for, man? Yo.
Hey, you okay?
Do you listen? You're trying to pass me out.
You okay?
He's a stupid guy that's trying to pass me out. I get my phone, my phone, car.
Yeah, shit, right.
My handcuffs off?
No. You're going to jail, my friend.
For what reason? I didn't see nobody. I didn't
For
see
what
nobody.
reason?
Let's check him.
You threaten the officers. Shut your ass up, man.
Let's check him here. Check him right here.
Don't move.
Don't move, bud.
Don't move.
Do you have anything on you? It's going to stick me, poke me, prick me?
Hello?
Don't move. Straight your legs.
My legs, I did surgery, sir. Hello, be careful.
Listen, man, we're not. Listen. The fact that you're breathing right now, you're alive, you had our taser, you shot my partner. You're welcome. You're fucking welcome. You know how bad this could have gone for you? All this over what?
That's
We were
true.
asking you to leave nicely.
No way. Nobody, I just buy food.
They would have been justified too, boy. Got his ass right.
You tell them to judge everything. We got nothing.
Listen, of course, man.
Y'all niggas know
This whole thing's on camera.
Break my leg.
You want the other side? Slow everybody down?
Yeah, I did.
There was nothing to me in the world.
In a world what? In a world where you grab a cop's taser and you're still alive? You're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome. You shot my partner in the knee with her taser.
Dude,
The fact that you're breathing right now,
I'm intelligent.
the fact that you're, I know you're intelligent.
You're trying to choke me. You're
I'm not trying to choke you.
You're pressing me out, sir. I just put food.
Let's go.
Damn, these cops talk like NYPD, boy. Lie to you.
Walk. I have to walk.
You're walking.
I have to walk. My leg, there's a handcuff.
You're walking.
Don't break my leg now. My hands.
You're walking.
For food. Oh, hello. My hand.
The defendant was found guilty on 3 charges: battery on a police officer, resisting an officer without violence, and trespassing in a structure or conveyance. All 3 were adjudicated guilty by the court. 4 other charges were dropped. These included 2 counts of resisting an officer with violence, 1 count of trespassing after warning, and 1 count of aggravated battery. Prosecutors chose not to take action on those charges. The court's decision reflects a partial conviction with the most serious allegations: aggravated battery and resisting with violence, not pursued by the state.
So what? He ain't get nothing? Not pursued by the state. He took the cop's taser and shot it. Come on now. Oh man. Maybe they did. Maybe I didn't hear that correctly, man. Maybe y'all can let me know, man. Cause yeah, they talk like they talk like NYPD. I ain't gonna lie. That boy said, yo, you lucky you breathe. He said, you lucky you breathing right now. Yeah, me. That's how they talk. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So yeah, once he said that threatening thing to the female, it was over. Yep, that's the gateway. And bruh man was already itching before that. You know what I'm saying? He was already on demon time. You know what I'm saying? He was already on demon time before that happened. So he was just sitting there waiting for him to slip up, say something crazy, and it's gonna be lit. As soon as he said that, he pounced on him like, it was lit. So, justified. You know what I mean? Gotta watch what you say, man. But you can tell that guy got some mental health issues. He ain't really rap too tight. But anyway, never know, man. Gotta take all these threats seriously. Anyway, I think the cops did a pretty decent job. I mean, I'm gonna give them a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.